Hey dude, what's up? And then we're just gonna be shooting each other because I'm supposed to guard that base, and this man is a psychopath and just wants a nuke.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're just gonna do um infiltrator versus special ops soldier. Enjoy.
And then we're craft.
We're gonna do some CubeCraft Egg Wars, so watch till the end, and you're gonna have a lot of fun. What brings you here today, sir?
Here, I just want to go in and just, do some normal stuff.
Alright, nuclear reactor. Sorry, this is not the right path.
Oh my gosh. Hey kid, over here. Guess we gotta do it the hard way.
Oh, you want to do it the hard way? Oh, jeez. Oh,
You ready to shoot him, Austin?
oh, crap. Alright, we got a deal here. I got one. Got one down.
Crap. I remember I set my spawn point in. Let's go.
Oh, crap. Okay. Yep. Turns out the Russian terrorist won. Don't blow it up. Don't.
Well, rest in peace.
The Russian terrorists got the nuke, and it seems like they're planning on blowing up something with it.
Even though I might die here, the world's gonna end the terrorists. There's gonna be radiation here. I'm probably gonna kill some cows. And this Bill Mama thingy right here, my password is all those things. Let's put it right here. Let's set this off. 3, 2, 1. Oh my.
The Russians did an abundant amount of damage to the mountains, but this isn't the only nuke they acquired. They acquired way more and are ready to take over the world. Seriously. Look at the damage. But this is where the nuke has been set off. Russian terrorist, my guy. Alright, so me and my friend hopped on CubeCraft. We're playing Egg Wars. And, yeah. Right now we're building our egg defense. And, hey, Caden?
Yeah?
What? Oh my gosh. Bro, is Austin really...
Bro, Austin, you gotta be quiet a little.
Anyways, so, oh, okay, we're already rushing people. Alright, bet. Alright, here. Do you need help? We gotta dominate these noobs. Wait, was there only one person?
No, there's other guys.
Oh, wait, the other guy's running away. Go get him, get him.
What's in CubeCraft?
Oh my god. Bro, see, there's just random holes in that, yeah, okay, wow. The one thing I hate about that map. Alright. I fell into the void like an idiot.
What the heck?
Oh my gosh.
I got him. Let's go.
Okay, good.
Oh, yeah?
Huh?
Wait, I thought you called me.
Oh no. I think you're hearing your brother.
We got orange out of it.
You got orange out of the game. Alright, what's the next person?
Greens and orange are just kind of
Alright.
orange just like block off the way that moves.
Alright, here, should I get some blocks?
Yeah, orange is coming.
Alright. I forgot, but we need 5 diamonds. Oh crap. Here.
Here, I'll surround. I'll protect the base.
Oh crap. Yeah. Oh, hit him off. Oh crap. Bro, why did he? And now he's running away. He's gonna hit us into the void, I bet.
Bro,
Here, let's destroy this dude. Alright, let's go get green.
we gotta stick together.
Yeah, we gotta stick together while we rush. Wait. I'm getting a pickaxe. Efficiency one, alright.
I need to get some more blocks.
Alright, but I'm gonna go up here and just rush some idiots, I guess. I can spam. Alright.
Make sure you don't die.
Alright. Okay, I scared a CN person away.
I saw one of the CM persons with iron. I'm
Alright.
pretty sure they're getting a diamond generator because they stole like 5 diamonds.
Oh crap. I got CN's egg. He got an iron sword. I might die. No, he was at 1 heart too, man.
Well, he's not surviving me. That's all.
Yeah. Oh.
Got him.
Well, dang. Here, let's just watch you play. I hate this spectator mode in CubeCraft, bruh.
Block war. This is called block war.
Wait, there's block wars on CubeCraft?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, wait, it's on the capture the flag area, huh? Oh, right, I forgot.
Block war. Minecraft. Oh my god, I'm so bad at it as well.
Oh, crap. Where did you go? You just disappeared on my screen.
I like the base. I'm not talking.
Oh, okay, yeah. Alright, I see you.
Block war with me? No.
You're gonna make this match as quick as possible. Green's the only people left with an egg. Yen eliminated, nice. You just need to kill a few more people, that's all.
I'm gonna go for pink.
Or pink?
Actually, no, I'm gonna go get yellow.
Alright.
Whatever they are.
Yeah, I don't know where you are, bro.
What? Was there a damage? I'm kind of scared of green.
Do they have, like, full diamond or something? Iron, I mean? Okay, you just...
They have normal armor, but I'm just all nervous about them.
Dude, I don't know where you are. Like, you just disappeared on my spectator mode
I
screen.
hate this. Oh my god, I hate this. Why do they just have to be random holes in the ground?
I know. Ooh, wait.
I like this map. It's kind of like ocean vibe.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so this is the second round. Overpowered items, let's go. Perfect. And,
I remember there's one map on CubeCraft, just like a lava.
Oh, crap. Oh, wait, hold on. I think I remember this map. Oh, this is my favorite map.
Oh my god.
Alright, so what's the game plan,
It's
bro?
not all open. It's kind of like protected.
We need to get, okay, it's level 2. Anyways, we need to get 5 diamonds so we can get our own diamond generator.
It's overpowered. I remember that. I gotta get some loot before I touch anyone.
You gotta get an iron sword if you want to even do any damage to anyone.
Yeah. Hey, you better leave my woman alone.
Who you rushing?
Purple.
Uh-oh, they're rushing us. One of them is rushing us, dude. Alright. I got leather armor.
Can you hold him off for now?
Yeah, I'll hold the purple guy. That's... Oh wait, never mind. He wasn't rushing us.
Yes, he is.
Sure, it looks like he was bridging to the mid.
He's camping me. He's camping me.
Oh crap, be careful, hold on. Oh, bruh. The gold generator is yours for now. I am going to...
Yes, I think that's pushing on.
Hold on, should we use... Oh crap, are you good? Oh, it looks like...
I'm fine.
Oh wait, it looked like he hit you into the void on my screen. Is he trying to... Is he trying to pickaxe you to death?
I think so.
I don't know. I guess he's like kind of dumb. Bruh. Here, let me go on to the other side. We're gonna ambush him. Oh, never mind. You got him. You are an idiot. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh, what?
Oh my! The flash. That was an
Bro, bro, it sounded like your brother was the purple guy raging. that was like the perfect timing.
Cyan has
Cyan.
obsidian.
Oh crap. I need to turn my render distance up.
Austin, okay.
7 chunks, there we go.
I'm gonna go for Cyan. I'm gonna need a lot of block stuff.
Okay, hold on. Make sure you get an iron sword or something.
Yo,
We should go rush middle. Oh, pink. Hold on.
Here, I'll go to the edge.
Pink is building up. They're building up. I don't got any like blocks.
Oh. Go get some now.
Okay, I don't have any iron. I don't have enough iron. Oh, they're here. They don't got a pickaxe, do they?
Okay,
Corner. Oh crap. Here, deal with the other guy. I'm gonna. Oh, they're double teaming me. They're triple partying me. What the heck?
Double teamer.
They're double teaming me, bruh. Oh crap. Oh, the other purple guy, the other pink guy. He's binding in. This stupid guy won't fight. Okay, now he'll. Bruh, oh crap. I'm gonna get spammed too.
When I was trying to get my pickaxe, Austin? Oh, stop. It's annoying.
Alright, I'm gonna stop recording now.